Hi guys, welcome back to H & Gourmet. It's me Nada, and today I'll be showing you the easiest way to make Gajar ka halwa. This Pakistani and Indian dessert is a must in winter. In a pan, add 1 liter of full cream milk and 5 to 6 large Pakistani or Indian carrots. Cut it in cubes and add that to the milk. Yes, you don't need to grate the carrots. आपको गाजर को कद्दूकश करने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है. अब बस स्किन पील ऑफ करके क्यूब्स में कट करेंगे और उसे मिल्क में ऐड कर देंगे. And trust me on this, it saves a lot of time and effort. Now you're going to cook the carrots until all the milk evaporates. Make sure to keep stirring in between and keep the flame on medium-low. आपको इसे मीडियम फ्लेम पे पकाना है जब तक कि दूध खुश्क हो जाए और गाजर अच्छे से गल जाए. बीच बीच में आपको चमचे चलाते रहना है. Once the milk evaporates completely and the carrots become tender, now take a masher and mash it up. जब गाजर गल जाए तो आप इसे मैश कर लेंगे. This should be the consistency. Next you'll add in 5 to 6 green cardamom pods, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk powder, and 1 cup of ghee. Ghee really enhances the flavor of this dessert and you can't use oil as a substitute for it. Now mix it well, let it cook for another 30 minutes until the ghee separates from the carrots. अब हम इसको आधे घंटे के लिए और पकाएंगे जब तक कि इसका मॉइस्चर completely ड्राई हो जाए और घी सेपरेट हो जाए. Make sure to keep stirring in between. Next add in some sliced almonds and crushed pistachios and half cup of khoya. This is optional. If you don't have it, you can skip this. And half teaspoon of nutmeg, which is jaifal powder. Mix well again, let it cook on low flame. As you can see, the ghee has now come up. It means our halwa is ready. This should be the texture. अगर आपको homemade easy खोए की रेसिपी चाहिए तो आपको मिल जाएगी मेरी YouTube शॉर्ट्स में, तो उसे देखना मत भूलिएगा. Now garnish with some more pistachios, almonds and khoya and enjoy. Also, you can find an easy homemade khoya recipe in my YouTube shorts, so make sure to check it out. Beautiful and delicious homemade easy gajar ka halwa is ready. It tastes just like the one you get in Pakistani or Indian restaurants. So make sure you do give this recipe a try. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Happy cooking!